Attention, severe weather ahead. Please stay tuned for our special announcement.
Hello, I am Kyla. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead. Today I have invited a panel of experts to join me to discuss tornadoes. Did you know a tornado can spin faster than 200 miles per hour? Our first guest is Iszach, a meteorologist. Iszach, what characteristics define a tornado?
A tornado is a very large cloud that is made of spinning winds over 200 miles per hour.
What season does a tornado usually appear in?
Usually they happen in spring or summer.
Where in the United States does our storm occur most often?
The storms most often occur in Tornado Alley, which is the flat central plains of the United States.
Our next guest is Alex, who is an environmental scientist. Alex, what is the effect of this type of storm on people and their activities?
Tornadoes can rip apart buildings and damage cars and roads. More than 80 people in the USA are killed by tornadoes.
What is one example for history when this weather has been the most severe?
On April 11th, 1965, about 48 tornadoes passed through the midwestern part of the United States. 256 people were killed.
Our final guest is Noah, a representative from FEMA. What can people do to prepare for a tornado?
People can make stronger buildings. They can build special storm shelters and make disaster supply kits.
Is there a system for warning people about the severe weather?
To warn people, weather station issue warnings. They also use satellites that can see storms developing.
Thank you to our panel for being here today. We are all better informed and prepare to face a tornado. Now, tune in again tomorrow for the next episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead.